Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is all about the Listing Pro. I will tell you from where you can purchase an authentic licensed Listing Pro with a 6 month or 12 months customer support. Then we will install that theme to our website. I will walk you through from all the process so you can know how to do it by yourself. This video is best for those who are new and don't know what the directory is and how it works, and what are the best feature. So let's get started. But before starting, I would like to highlight there are other themes available which are perfect for the directories, but they all have some its cause and pros and cons. So to buy the Listing Pro theme, you need to go to the Google and you need to write Listing Pro theme forest, and you will come on this page. And you need to make sure you are buying it from Credio Studio because this is the basically the owner of this theme. This will make sure that your theme you are buying a well certified license theme on your website. Currently, its price is $69 with 6 months support, but you can extend your support up to 12 months with while adding $21 or $22 approximately into this price. But I think there is no need to extend the support. This price is enough, because if you don't know how to play with the theme, or how to if you don't know the technical terms, then there is no means to buy the support. But of course the decision is yours. You can buy it whenever you want it. Let's get back to the website and install a new theme. First of all, you need to go to the appearance and then click on the themes, add a new theme, upload a new theme. So let's quickly find the theme that I want to install. So this is the theme. Basically I have uploaded this theme already. There is a possibility it will say me that this theme is already uploaded, but it's okay. I want to show you guys how it works, so it's better that we wait for its upload. So my theme is uploaded now, but you can see it says the theme is already uploaded. So I will cancel and go back, or I can replace the current with the uploaded one. This is how you update your theme as well. So once you install the theme and in future there is an update, then you simply just come to the theme and upload it, and then you need to replace the theme in order to update it. So I will activate it and then it will take me to the setup wizard. So here we are on the one click demo import. Let's start. Okay, so first of all, it asks me whether I want to use Elementor or WPBakery. So different people have different choices, but I prefer to use Elementor because it is more better than the WP Bakery and it's more user friendly. So I will choose Elementor and then click on the next. Okay, then it will ask us to install the necessary plugins which are mandatory ones. So yeah, I am ready to install these plugins. You can install these plugins later on as well, but it's better to install them during this setup wizard. In this way you will be able to import a perfectly demo and a content ready website. So let's wait and um, let's get them installed all. So my plugins are already installed and they brought me to this demo page. Now Listing Pro has three demos which comes with the uh, simple Listing Pro theme. One is a classic, and second one is the Places Pro, and the third one is the Restaurant Pro. So let's preview them all so we know how they all look, and then we will decide which one I want to install at this website right now. So Restaurant Pro is a very specific and it's only for the food teacher where restaurants can sign up. Places Pro are basically related to places and it's very specific. The classic basically is for the business directories where businesses can sign up and add their listings. So all are have are loaded, and let's see them. So this is the classic version. You see a search bar and few categories. Then you have some cities here, and this is some text to get started. And these are the basically um generic business listings. Okay, and then this is the blog section, and this is the footer area. Go to the next one. This is the places pro, and it's basically showing you a few places, and then it tells you like what to do, like tours, shops. These are actually the categories, and then you have some popular places or popular things to do. So this is related to most of the time it's related to the tourism, or from trips or picnic point of view. If you are building a such directory, then you must choose Places Pro. And let's come to the next and the last one. Is it is the restaurant theme, and you this is typically for the niche restaurants, those who want to set up a restaurant directory, they can use this theme. And you can see these are the actual restaurant listings, and there are some locations where you can find your listings. And if you click on specific location, it will show all the listings that are available in your this New York city, or that have been added in the website. Then we do have these categories like restaurant categories, and then we of course have some other listings, some popular listings in the area. These are the some activities, and then this is all. So these are the three demos which listings with which we are come with pre-packaged with the Listing Pro. So I am going to choose the simple one, the classic one, and I'm going to accept it. Yeah, I have accepted it, and now it's asking me if you want to import some dummy content. Yes, I do want to import some dummy content because I am teaching my viewers. Now let's wait for the dummy content to process. It will take a while before it loads all the content. Here it depends upon the speed, and the process actually depends upon the hosting that you have. If your hosting is good, then it will import it quickly. Otherwise it will take some time to import this demo content. Now it have taken me to the license area. Here you can and this is your license area. You can come into this and add your license. And if you don't know where to get your Listing Pro license or purchase code, you can watch this video which comes with every Listing Pro theme, and it will tell you how you can get your purchase code or license code and where you need to place it. Once you are done, then you are fully legal and ready to go. Let's visit the website from the front end and see how it looks. So this is my website. You see the pictures are missing from it, but it is pretty much same as this classic demo. So I will be explaining few things one by one. First of all, I want to show you from the user perspective. I am showing you the dashboard. This is the dashboard that will be based on the settings that you have set at the back end. Based on those settings, you will see these things in your dashboard. Okay, so first of all, this is the generic view. Here you can see how many users or how many views you have on your listings. So basically this tells you everything about your listing. Here you can add click on this button and add a listing, and you can contact the support as well from this button. This is for the admins only, because this support meaning this is the Listing Pro support. Coming to the next thing, you can do some announcements here. You can add a new announcement from this button. You can add events. You can add coupons from this button. You can simply add a coupon, then you can add menus from this button, and then you can add listings from here, and then you can add, these are the listings, all of the listings, these are the listings that I got from the dummy data, they will appear here. And then I have this inbox feature. I have nothing in my inbox. Let's see. So I have currently I have nothing in my inbox, so nothing is showing up. In invoices you will see all the orders invoices that you have placed, meaning that if you buy a listing and if you buy a paid listing, then that invoice will come up here. You can save listings and they will appear here, and then you can at the end you can do the ad campaign, and you can add a new ad from here. And finally the reviews from the users, from different people, will appear under the tab reviews. So currently I have nothing on the, like I just imported the demo, I have nothing, no data to show. But once you start getting, you add your listings and you start doing these things and you become active on the website, there will be data showing in these tabs. So you can track what's going on about your listing. Let's go back to the home page and see what's happening. Okay, so in this what area you basically put, you can write anything, pretty much anything, or you can select some options that are defined already in this area, like these are the basically categories. And this is actually, you can call it a keyword search. You can put, you can write or put any word in here to search the website. If there is anything related to that word, it will appear on this website when you click on the search button. And this is the location field. You need to enable Google Maps or Mapbox in order to uh, write something here, otherwise it won't bring anything, it won't work. So we need to enable the maps in this area, or we enable to, or we need to add some cities or countries manually to the website in order to make this area where filter work. So let's say I click on this arts and entertainment and click on the search. Actually, I want to show you how the search of this listing pro theme looks like. So we have a map on half of the page, and then we have some of these filters. These are called the advanced filters. You can set up these filters from the back end, and then anything that's in the arts and entertainment area, that will come up on the, on this page. Right now we have this this listing, or it is, and it is ad as well, so it comes up. Okay, let's go back and see what we have other than these. So these are the actually categories, and you can also place them from the back end, and these categories actually take you uh, to the same page that I was showing you from here. So one thing is that you search from the search bar, and the second thing is there will be like uh, uh, maximum 5 to 8 categories here, where you can which have features categories, and you can select in one of the categories to know about if they have anything. So I again clicked on arts and entertainment, and it brings me on the same page. If I go back and click on hotels, then it will take me to the listings which have hotels. So there is one which has hotel word. Okay, let's say if I write something related to breakfast and bed in this what area. So I write breakfast. Okay, so you see it will bring me the if I click on the search, it will bring me listings which are in the which are in the area breakfast, but I think I haven't tried the right words, so it doesn't show me anything. Okay, next let's go to the the cities. These are basically the regions, and the function of these regions is pretty much similar to these categories. In this way, it shows the listings in this specific category. In case of cities, it shows the listings specifically in these regions like Chicago, Georgia, or New York, and you see the listing count as well. Now, in the next section, this is just a text area, and these are some of the images. I will tell you later on how you can edit this area or this area or this. Then we have this exclusive. These are the basically ads that you can place from your dashboard from ad advertisement. And from here you can place ads on your, you can buy ads from this area. Getting back to the ones, sorry, where it is. Okay, getting back to the home page again. So these were the ads. Again, this is a video and then a small text. This is actually testimonial area, and then we have news and tips, and these are the actually posts that are coming, or a blog post that are coming from the post from the backend. And again, this is the footer area, some copyright content and some social medias that you again set from the backend. Today we are not discussing the backend, we are only discussing the front end as my previous video. So once we complete the front ends, then we will go and tell you about the backends. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how you can change few things from the front end, like this text and images. You cannot edit this content from the front end because it is something that you can do from the back end of the website. I am just quickly going to show how you can do that, how you can change this content here. So I am currently at the back end of the website, and in this theme options you will find everything that I have just shown you. So today's video is all about the home page. So let's see how I can change this and this text. So in the theme options you see header and then a banner. This area where we see the menu and these buttons and this logo is called the header area, and then we have this area which is called the banner area. So we are working with the banner, so let's go and click on the banner. I'm in the banner area. Okay, let it get load, and then we will see what we need to do. So here you can select different styles of maps from the listing pro, and different styles. So let's say I want to select this style. I and selected this one, and then I need a search bar like this. I selected this. Then I want to have categories in the circles. Then you can change the category background. Category background, basically this is the color. This blue color is the category background. I changed this to a yellow color. And the hover color, hover meaning the color that you see when you take your mouse to that category box. So let's say I want it to be blue, and then this is the category text color. Text color is this color that you are seeing at the moment. I want this color to be let's say black, okay, instead of white. You can adjust the height from here. Let's say if I make the height 410 and 410, then this height will shorten. And next, say I want the opacity to be zero point 0.9. 0.9 mean it will be very opaque. I will just show you how it will look like. You can change the background image from this. Let's upload another image or use the image from the gallery. So let's use this one. Select it, and then you can this courtesy listing. Basically, this is the this image description, you can on remove it or on it. And then this is the banner taxonomy. Banner taxonomy basically are these things, like what do you want here. You have few options, like you can put locations, features, or categories. Currently we have these categories selected. You can select even more. So I have selected the real estate one as well. Okay, then you can select few items to appear under this area. And then here goes the text that we see over in this area. So you can edit this text. This is the text that is appearing in this button, and this is your city. Uh, this text, and we then have this text. It is here. Sorry, it's here, and then we have this and this. These are the our main text heading, and then we have top title. So, and this is the arrow that you see in this area. And once done, click on the save changes. Don't forget to save changes. It says one warning found. Just leave it, and settings are saved. Now I'm going to reload my page and see how it looks. So you see what I did, I made the height smaller, and the content looks like this. It doesn't look right, but it's, and I made the opacity like 0.9, so it's all black. Now let's go back and make these things right. So it's better to have 610, and then the opacity shouldn't be that high, it should be like 0.5. Now let's save the changes and go back and reload the website. So you see, I made the opacity a little bit lower, and I made the height of the banner as a little bit higher, and it looks very fine. Now I changed these category colors as black, but I think black doesn't look good. So let's change these category colors to white again. Save changes, go back, reload, and here you see the black turns into white. So this pretty much looks good, and this is how you actually do your changes. Okay, that's all for today. I will get back with with another video where I will tell you how you can make changes to these other home pages. If you find any questions, do let me know, and then I will I will describe some changes. I don't recommend ListingPro to anybody because it has some issues. The issues are like its search function is not as good as the other themes, so it's where doesn't work at all. I will describe these issues in the next video. See you soon.